In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Workspace account. Before we begin, a quick heads up, you'll need to be signed in with a super admin account. Only super admins have the permissions required to cancel a Google Workspace subscription. If you're not sure whether you have those rights, check with the person who manages your organization's Google settings. Start by signing in to the Google admin console in your web browser. This is the central place where you manage your organization's services, users, and billing. Once you're in, look for the main menu icon in the top left corner. It's the three horizontal lines. Click that to open the navigation panel, then choose Billing and select Subscriptions. This section lists all the services your organization is paying for. Next, locate your active Google Workspace subscription. It might be named something like Business Standard, Business Starter, Business Plus, or an Enterprise plan. Click the subscription to open its details. Here you'll see your current plan, the number of licenses, and your billing status. Now find the More option, often shown as a three-dot icon in the top corner of the subscription page. Click it and then choose Cancel Subscription. Google will guide you through a confirmation flow. Read these prompts carefully. You'll usually see information about when access ends, whether any remaining charges apply based on your billing plan, and what happens to your data. A few important considerations as you confirm your cancellation. Canceling your subscription will stop user access to Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and other workspace services tied to your organization. Data deletion can begin shortly after cancellation, and once it's gone, recovery may not be possible. If you think you might need emails, files, or records later, consider exporting or backing up data before you complete the cancellation. Also, if you're on an annual or fixed term plan, there may be early termination implications. Review your agreement and the on-screen notices so you're not caught off guard. If your workspace is managed through a reseller, some options may look different and you may need to coordinate with them. After you confirm, Google processes the cancellation and the subscription status updates accordingly. You may receive a confirmation email and, if applicable, a final invoice per your billing terms. If your goal was to reduce costs rather than fully cancel, remember that you can often change plans or adjust license counts under billing without canceling the entire service. That's it. By following these steps, opening the admin console, navigating to billing and subscriptions, selecting your active plan, and choosing cancel subscription, you can confidently close out your Google Workspace account when it's time.